Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by making the core checks. Plug the Dr. Jim bottle warmer into a grounded outlet and verify the water reservoir is empty and clean. Add 1/2 cup, 120 ml of water to the reservoir. This produces steady steam heat. Once done, place disassembled bottles and nipples into the sterilizer basket so steam reaches all surfaces. Make sure to lock the lid properly. This prevents steam loss and ensures even warming while the unit powers on and reaches operating temperature. Now you choose the correct function on the Dr. Jim unit, warming for feeding or sterilize for multiple parts. For warming, set time based on volume. A 4 6-ounce bottle needs about 4 to 6 minutes, while larger bottles require more time. When sterilizing, arrange parts in the basket with openings facing down so steam circulates freely and reaches internal surfaces. Once set, press start and monitor the indicator. Meanwhile, prepare a towel and a clean surface to transfer items. Finish by letting bottles cool inside the closed unit for 1 to 2 minutes to avoid scalding. Then remove and test a few drops on your wrist to check temperature. Make sure to pour out remaining water and wipe the reservoir dry, because residual water breeds scale and affects performance. If you encounter problems like no heat or weak steam, first confirm power and reset any tripped fuse, then descale with a 50-50 vinegar and water solution. Run a full cycle and rinse thoroughly before reuse.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.